Hello viewers, welcome to our channel English Tube. In this video, we will write an essay on a very burning topic, plastic pollution, a global crisis. This topic is very important in context of the present scenario. This content can also be used for speech and debate on this very topic, plastic pollution. For more such videos, consider subscribing to our channel and hit that bell icon so that you never miss an update from our channel. Plastic pollution is a global crisis that demands our immediate attention. On one side, the convenience and affordability of plastic has revolutionized industries and our daily lives. However, it has severe consequences of drastic pollution on our environment. Plastic waste contaminates our oceans, harming marine life and ecosystems. The non-biodegradable nature of plastic poses a persistent threat, taking centuries to decompose. Despite of several problems, it is nearly impossible to find viable alternatives, and changing deeply ingrained habits The use of plastic in our daily life has become irreplaceable. The global community must come together to address the plastic pollution crisis. Initiatives to reduce single use plastics and invest in innovative solutions are essential. A shift to biodegradable and eco friendly options is the need of the hour. Recycling must be promoted vigorously. The cost of inaction is too high with irreversible damage to our environment. It is our responsibility to act now, considering both the convenience of plastic and the urgent need to preserve our planet for future generations.